What up, Pokey people? Pokey Pops here. It's kind of been a while since I posted anything, but got some mystery packs and stuff from my uncle over at Funhouse 51. Make sure y'all go check him out. You know, he does these little pool games and stuff, and it's fun. I got these just a little bit ago from buying some packs from him, and I'm pretty excited for this set that's coming out. You know, these are like the first ones that I've gotten, and got these two. Man, let's get on opening. I'll start off with these ones first, and that's my baby girl, Buttercup. In case y'all don't know who Buttercup is, that's my baby girl. Go for that one. Not too Shuckle, and a hollow course, Galarian course something, Galarian something. Go ahead and sleeve that up right quick. Alright, so we got 3 Chilling Rains and a Shining Fates. Let's see. So we got Rockruff, Ghastly, Ladybug, Porygon, Swirlix, Reverse Foil, Cast Form, Sunny Form, and ooh, fuck yeah, Shadow Rider Calyrex V. That is beautiful. Good looking out, Unc. See, I'm always getting that fire. Always. Kirlia, Fog Crystal, Brawly, and Code. That is first pack. That is a beautiful, beautiful card. Looks good to me. Alright, what a way to start the packs. Well, American version, I guess you could say. That's a beautiful card though. Alright. Like I said, I have also a YouTube channel. If you guys don't mind, go ahead and check it out. It's Pokey Pops as well. Go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, whatever, do the dirty deeds. And moving on to the next. You know, it's funny, I just seen someone on Instagram had just recently pulled that card too, and I was like, you know, that's a badass looking card. And now I got it. Golett, Porygon, Grookey, Murray, Rockruff, a reverse foil Scroll of Piercing, and non-hollow rare Volcarona, Leaf Energy, Justified Gloves, Weeding. I swear, every time I get this one, I get this one. And Avery, and your code. Alright, moving on to the next. Alright, we got Bunsweet, Furfrou, Diglett, Larvesta, Inkay, and Reverse Foil Rare. Nope, not rare, my bad. Crabominable, and a non-hollow Rare Dugtrio, Leaf, Porygon 2, Raboot, Rapid Strike, Scroll of the Skies, and your code. Alright. Shiny Fates. Let's see if we get another Charizard or something. That would be nice. Alright. So we got Nickit, Eevee, Gossifleur, I don't know, Choodle, Morpeko, oh shit, and an amazing rare whatever tool. That's beautiful. Look at that. Once again, thank you, Unc. And the hollow Indeedee, Leaf, Elderos, Gym Trainer, Cramorant, and your code. He also pulled this sorry, this Eevee from one of the packs I got from earlier, and when he was going through it, I looked at the top and I was like, is that Rayquaza? And now that I have the card in my hand, I look closer, and it is Rayquaza. That's sick. Can't wait for the American version to come out. And I know sorry, excuse me. That is beautiful. Looks good. Corners are good. That's beautiful though. I like these cards. They ain't make more of them. There it is. One for the books. So, all out tonight. We got these ones right here. That card looks sick. It reminds me of the, I want to say Sleeping Hollow, the Headless Horseman. And then Porygon and Glaceon. Nice. Well, that goes down for the history books, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you all have a good night.